Hi guys, welcome back on GSM channel. Today I will show you how to change the digitizer in your LG L3. This is the model, this is the E400. Here I have a new digitizer with the frame assembly. I cheaply buy it on eBay for about $5. So let's get started. First of all, you need to unscrew this 6 screw from the back of our phone. So let's get started. Operation is quite easy to do, especially if you have digitizer with the frame. If you don't have the digitizer with the frame, you need to take the new glue on your glass with M3 3M tape, for example. But in this case I'm gonna show you how to change the digitizer with the frame, of course. Okay, screw is up there of the phone, and now we need to take it off with a plastic tool. Okay. Here is the button on the volume, and here is the button plastic to stick the volume and change it. Now take the flex from the motherboard right here. This flex is from a digitizer. How it crashed. So I should take off this little damage off. There is something wrong. With this part. Okay, anyway, let this thing off. Take the motherboard out from the phone. Here we have LCD, and this is our bed digitizer. Here we have a new digitizer as well. So put the LCD up, get back to our phone, put the motherboard in your phone. It's quite easy to do, and easily take the flex and to the phone. I have a damage with my motherboard here, so I can't put this flex in. But anyway, I can show you how to do this. And now put your button here to your volume, up and down. Take the plastic in and back cover in, and that's all. Your phone will be have a new digitizer. And I hope the video is helpful for you. If yes, you can thumbs up, subscribe my channel. See you by next video. Hey.
always high.